Hello my YouTubers and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial video is going to be of how to make a button that opens a frame and which has a button which has got an X that makes the frame disappears. And this is what we're going to do in today's tutorial. So now let's not waste any more time and now let's just get started. And before we start, just go to the View tab and make sure you've got Explorer and the Properties open, because all of these that we're going to have is going to be really important for this tutorial. Okay, so now that we've got our Explorer and our Properties open, just click Start UI, click the plus, and insert a Screen UI. And with this Screen UI, click the plus and insert a frame. You can make it big as you want. Just make sure that to avoid any problems or anything like this. Don't make it really big. You can make it big if you want, but for me, I'm gonna make it small. You can make it big if you want. Now with the frame, we're gonna click the plus and insert a text button. We're going to add it here. Make sure that the shape of it is like a square. Then change the text from button to a capital X. Let's make sure it's capital. Just a capital X. Just that. Now customize that button. We don't want it white. We're just going to make it red. We want it red. And we want we want it bold. The text color white. And we need the text scale, of course, because we need people to see how the text looks properly. And now click the Screen UI, click the plus and insert another text button, but this time the text button that we're going to add now is not part of the frame. You can scale it however you want, you can customize if you want. Well, for me, I'm going to make mine blue and scroll down, make it bold, the text color white, and the text scaled. You can add it any way you want. For me, I'm just going to add it here. Then change the text to Open Frame. For this, you can add any text you want with this button over here. You can add any text you want. For me, I just wrote Open Frame because this is a tutorial making. So now let's continue. Now the next thing we're going to do is just click the Screen UI, click the plus and insert a LocalScript. And there delete everything that is existing in this LocalScript. So all I need you to write is you can delete those green things if you want. You can delete them if you want. For me, I just copied them from a video. I just copied them from a video just for everything to work as we want. So here's all the variables. So whoops, something I forgot. Make sure that you name this text button which says Open Frame. Make sure you name it to Open, not a capital O. Now let's go back to the LocalScript. So we've got local frame that equals script.Parent.Frame, and the local open, which is the name of the text button that opens the frame, equals to script.Parent.Open. And now our last variable is local exit button equals to frame.TextButton. And now the open script, which is the text button that opens the frame. So open.mouse button 1 click connect, and the brackets function, and after a bracket delete the last bracket and add 2 more brackets, the first one and the last bracket. And otherwise it wouldn't work if we don't do this. Frame.Visible equals to true. Open.Visible equals false. And here's the end of this variable. It's not this variable, so here's the name. This is the end of the function. Now the last function is the exit button script. Exit button dot mouse button 1 click connect function, and make sure you do the same with the function as the first one. frame.Visible equals false, which is for the frame that disappears whenever a player clicks the red button with the white X, and the open.Visible equals true. So these are everything from the script. And before we finish, make sure click the frame and scroll down in the properties, just click visible, just so everything could work as we want. And now we're going to play just to test it, see if everything works. And I've got the script in the description for you. And now I've spawned at the spawn location. Now let's click open frame. You see something happens. The frame opens, and if I click this button, then the frame disappears, and you can add text labels or image buttons or image labels, whatever you want. You can do with it. You can do whatever you want with it, but do not change the names of the most important things for this tutorial. Okay, so I think that's all for today's tutorial. If you like this channel, if you like my channel, please subscribe if you like my channel. And of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And this is Spavdy13 leaving. Bye! See you another time!